gosh, me too. This has been sitting out and we were waiting just to show you guys what's in here.
Can I open?
No, after our introduction.
Hi, this is Claudia.
And I'm Sharon, mother and daughter.
And we are EN.
And we're going to do an unboxing from these amazing gifts from Plan36.5. And we have more than one box, so
Chun, 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 chun,
I'm so excited.
You have the honor.
Oh, and this box is really heavy.
Open.
Let's see what's
box.
in here. Oh, doesn't that sound amazing? Did I get that?
She's stealing the box.
Okay. I have this horrible habit of breaking boxes. Whoa. Oh my. There's a lot of boxes in here. Oh my gosh. What are these? Plan36.5 plant cell daily mask. Oh, these are face masks. Oh my gosh. We have face masks for like an entire lifetime.
That's the best gift ever.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so there is cucumber, there's green tea, aloe, collagen, and tomato, and there's pearl.
Amazing.
Wow.
Again. Look.
Look at all of that. That's
You want me to
amazing.
remove the boxes?
Oh yes, let's take them out so you guys can
I want to
see.
put pearl here.
Oh geez, I was like, I can't, okay. There we go.
What is one? Which one is that one?
I like these, okay.
Just the title.
This is collagen and tomato. It's for elasticity and for glossiness. It's anti-wrinkles. It has, I never knew how to pronounce this. Panax ginseng callus culture extract. Wow.
I can't even try to pronounce that.
That's amazing.
Look, cucumber.
Cool cucumber.
Yay!
These masks are moisturizing and revitalizing, and it's also anti-wrinkles. Wow.
Heavy, but heavy nice.
Yes.
Look at this aloe vera. Look at
What's
this
that
one.
one for?
Aloe. That's for you. I'll make you read because today I don't want to work.
Okay, the aloe
enjoy.
is moisturizing and soothing, and it's anti-wrinkles as well. It's
Wow,
soothing.
this is for me. Only for me.
They have like
Not for you. It's only for me. Because what I love is pearls.
Okay. This one is to smooth skin and tone up, brightening. Oh, this is cute. I like the color of this one.
Wow. And the last one is green tea.
Green tea. This one is skin relaxing, brightening, and controls excessive sebum. Oh, this is good. Did I pronounce that right? Sebum. They each have stickers that say what they're for. Like the aloe is soothing, the cucumber is revitalizing, the collagen tomato is elasticity, the pearl is tone up, and
What is sticker? You mean this one's?
yeah, the red.
This one it has like a little, but it's in the box.
Should we open how they look?
Wait.
There's more?
Look.
Oh my gosh, there's more. What is this?
Out the box.
A little surprise. It's a freckle removal cream.
Oh, is this the same?
It reduces blemishes, freckles, complete human application test, brightens and anti-wrinkling, dermatologist tested. Trinex 11 Plus cream. Wow, this
so
is amazing. This is really good for acne scars, I think.
It is. But look at this one.
Oh, they're like little samples. We can carry these in our purse.
Yes, that's
If
what
we
I
want to.
like. Look. Looks like a
I don't
credit
know if you
card.
guys can see like the before and after. That's insane.
Show them.
Oh, you ready to show them? Yes. You beat me to it.
Yes.
Oh wow, there's so many.
Okay. This the same boxes, but we're gonna put all of them here, so it's gonna be beautiful. I think we'll have to open each one. Let's see how
Yes.
it looks like inside. What do you think?
Which one do you want to open?
What do you think? Right? Yes. Right, Sharon? They say yes,
Yes.
right? They say yes.
Wow, we have so many face masks. We need to do like
I
a
want my pearl.
a spa night.
That's your aloe there.
Aloe. I'm gonna open the aloe.
I want to open this one. I love that. I love the color.
I
Look
want to
at,
try that.
it's really super cute.
Whoa.
I don't see it. I'm sorry.
The packaging is really cute.
but it's like a soft structure.
It's colorful.
Really colorful, easy to understand.
Squishy. This is how the masks look like.
It's coming two of each box.
Podium Alpinum Callus Culture X.
That's the long word.
So the way that you use these are that you have to clean your skin after showering. Easy. Apply the mask on face and stretch it even. Cool. Leave it for 10 to 20 minutes and then take it off slowly and then pat the liquid on the face.
Oh, I'm gonna put this one.
You gonna put it on?
Yes, I'm gonna put it on. But you read it. This is Pearl. I have makeup on. Oh, well, but I want them to see how smooth.
Clean skin after
Now, I'm gonna show you how it only look like. But Sharon is gonna read. This is pearls. Look at this, my pearls.
That's cute.
I'm gonna open. See, please don't do like doing it. So look, see, it's liquid. Okay, this is amazing. Look, it is white.
These are from Plan36.5. Seoul, Republic of Korea. Cool.
Okay, I hope I'm not gonna destroy this one.
I love the packaging. They're so cute.
Look.
Oh my god, they smell it. It smells like baby powder.
No.
No? Or like
no, it's like
cologne,
a soft
like baby cologne.
Sophisticated, relaxed. See?
Oh my gosh.
I'm not gonna put it on because this is without makeup. Look. See?
Oh.
So put it this way.
Like that. And
like that.
10 to 20 minutes and you'll be as bright as a pearl. Ding.
This is come with me. After finish here, when I remove the makeup, I'm gonna use it.
Try these
look, could you see look?
Oh,
the liquid.
I like to.
It's not liquid. The name of it.
Well,
that's not a proper.
It's like the face mask liquid.
Look, the skin already. Look, it's really moist. Look, shiny, moist.
I just love how it smells like. I want to smell this one. Collagen tomato.
Haha, you're gonna open too.
I'm just curious.
Sorry.
It doesn't smell like tomatoes.
No, I don't think so.
It smells like perfume. It smells really good, but oh my gosh. I cannot wait to try these. I'm gonna use this one tonight.
Anything that you'd like to know more about this product, you can DM to us. Yes. We're gonna answer all the questions that you have because this is really neat and we're gonna be experienced about the product before and after, right? So maybe it's after the video, we don't have all the reviews here, so you can call us or you can send a text message or you can just call us, no, right? Text, no, just DM to us.
We're gonna do an Instagram post talking about our reviews, so you should definitely check out our Instagrams. It's Sharon Jane or Ambitious Ed.